Hello everyone, it is Jay's Cool Things here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick, I guess you could say first impression video of this game called Plenty Skyhearth. So this game is free for HTC Vive, Oculus Rift, Windows Mixed Reality, I'd assume. I don't know if it has support for mixed reality, but yeah. It's a free game. From what I've seen, you shoot stuff, so yeah, that's really all I know. But we got controls down here for Vive. Menu, select, knock arrow / draw arrow, grab arrow from quiver. Okay, so touchpad is grab arrow from quiver, menu buttons, menu, and alright, so that's select. So I guess I'll just press this. Alright. Oh, we got a leaderboard right here. Alright, so I'll select right hand draw. Okay, so I got my bow right here. Oh, what did I just do? Okay, so I got an arrow. Wait, what do I have to do? Alright, so I got this arrow. Do I shoot that? Oh, did I shoot the bird? Is that? Okay, that's kind of difficult to hit those birds up there, but I'll try anyways. I think that is the point of the game, from what I've seen in the videos. And my cat once let out of my room, so I'll be right back. Alright everyone, I'm back. Yeah, so I guess you just shoot animals like that. Doesn't seem like there's too much to the game. So, yeah, it seems like more of a tech demo than a full game, but I think the graphics are pretty good for a free game anyhow. And the haptic feedback on this bow, of course you guys can't notice it, but when you're actually playing, you notice the vibrations in the controller. They feel pretty realistic, like you're pulling back an actual bow. Just gonna try and go up there and get that one. Yeah, I can't hit it. Ooh, that was close. Okay, so we have a time limit. I'll just wait till the end of this time limit, I guess. Just keep shooting birds. Where are they? Get over here. It'd be cool if there were more different things to shoot, though. Maybe like deer or something. But yeah, it's a pretty scenic, I'd say. It's got nice scenery. The graphics are beautiful. Yeah. And it's pretty simple concept. Pretty good execution. It does remind me a lot of that one tech demo from the lab, the longbow. I think it was just called longbow. Yeah, that one mini game from the lab. Oh, I got that one right on. Yeah, it's pretty fun. It's not something I would play for, like, this isn't something I just pick up and play. Just it's something I might just, I don't know. I don't really know a situation I'd play this in other than this review. Oh, am I out of time? Okay, press shoot to continue. Your score 14. Free aim leaderboard. So it looks like I'm in 2,145th place. Yeah. So yeah, this room is pretty interesting. We've got a ship, got a sword, got a lot of stuff. Got a fireplace and everything. So I'm just gonna press shoot to continue. See what else there is in this game. So we got settings here. It looks like right eye aim. Yes, that's what I use. Oh, what? Why is my hand? Oh, this is for if you only have a headset. Okay, so yeah, I want to use the controllers, obviously. Let's see the leaderboard. Number 1, 315. That's quite a high score. Right-handed draw. Okay, so it looks like they also have a tutorial. I'll run through that quickly. Welcome to Skyhearth. Do you know where we are right now? We can talk more about that in another chapter. For now, let's just get you ready to hunt birds. It's quite simple. Alright, yeah, using a... Oh, they got target right there. It'd be cool if they... Oh, there goes a bird. Okay. It'd be cool if they had like a target practice or something where you could just like shoot targets like this. If using fixed aiming, hit select to draw. If using hand aiming, grab an arrow by reaching over your shoulder to your quiver and pressing the touchpad /X/A button. Okay. Then knock the arrow on your bowstring with the trigger. Dry arrow fully and release the trigger to lose your arrow. Hit the target in front of you with an arrow. Okay, that's not too hard. Alright. That one up there. That one's quite far. I wonder if I can still shoot the birds right here. Got him. Okay. I'm gonna try and get all the way up there. A little lower. A little higher. To the right. Alright, there we go. Okay, something a little harder. Shoot the moving targets. Oh, is it just gonna go away? Oh, crap. Okay, I didn't know it was just gonna go away like that. Okay, that looks difficult. I was close on that last one. Oh, what? I thought that would have hit it. Alright, that one's going away. Just gonna reappear. Oh. There we go. Okay. A little trickier. Shooting a falling bird again before it hits the ground gives you extra points. Okay. So that's interesting. Shoot the falling target to complete the tutorial. That is quite difficult. I couldn't imagine doing this on a falling bird, which its hitbox is... Oh. Okay, I accidentally hit that one. Which is presumably smaller than the target's hitbox, I'd guess. By the size of the birds. That is difficult. Ah, there we go, finally. Ready to hunt some real targets. Pull either trigger /hit select to go back to the menu. So, yeah, that seems like it's it for Plenty Skyhearth. Pretty simple game, as you guys can see. It's free. I'll put the download link in the description. I cannot say that I would recommend it though, because I don't know, it just doesn't really have much to offer content wise. It's just got that tutorial and this mode that I'm in right now from what I've seen. So yeah, I mean, if you're a new Vive owner / Oculus owner and you just want something to try out, this is a good thing to do it on, I guess. But yeah, other than that, it's not really something I would go out of my way to play, other than just as a tech demo. But yeah, seems okay for that purpose. Yeah, that's gonna be about it for this video. I'll see you guys all later, and goodbye.